Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to connect your Google Drive to Canva. If you've ever felt that constant back and forth hassle of downloading files from Google Drive only to upload them to Canva, you'll be relieved to know there's a much quicker way. By connecting Google Drive directly to Canva, you can streamline your workflow, saving you both time and effort. Imagine the ease of accessing all your important files directly from Canva without any extra steps. That's precisely what we'll cover today, how you can achieve this seamless integration in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and explore how to set this up. To begin, the first step is to open your web browser. Once you have it up and running, navigate to Google Drive's homepage. If you're unsure how to get there, you can simply type Google Drive into any search engine, and you'll find it as the top result. Alternatively, you can directly enter the URL drive.google.com into your browser's address bar. When you arrive at the Google Drive site, it's crucial to ensure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your email and password to gain access. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look for a photo or any file that you wish to use with Canva. Hover your mouse over the file and right-click to open up a context menu. This menu will present you with several options regarding actions you can perform with the file. One of these options is Open With. Hover your pointer over this option. At this stage, you may not see Canva listed yet, which is why we're here to connect it. Click on Connect More Apps, which will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Google Workspace Marketplace, you'll notice a search bar prominently placed at the top of the page. This is where you can search for apps that can be integrated with Google Drive. Type Canva into the search bar and hit the Enter key or click on the search icon. Canva should appear in the search results. Click on it to bring up more details about the app. On the Canva app page, you'll find comprehensive information about what the app offers and the permissions it requires. These permissions are important as they outline how Canva will interact with your Google Drive files. Rest assured, Canva is a reliable application and will only access your files as necessary to provide its services. After reviewing the permissions and app details, you'll see an Install button. Click on this button to start adding Canva to your Google Drive. During the installation process, you may be asked to grant permissions. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts and allow the necessary permissions to complete the installation. It's a good idea to read through any permission requests to understand what you're consenting to. Once you've successfully connected Canva to your Google Drive, head back to your Google Drive homepage. Now, right-click on any file in Google Drive, hover over Open With, and you should see Canva listed as an option. Select Canva, and just like that, you're ready to edit and utilize your Google Drive files directly within Canva. This integration allows you to enhance your creative process, eliminating the need to repeatedly download and upload files. And that's it. By following these detailed steps, you've successfully connected your Google Drive to Canva, resulting in a much smoother and more efficient workflow for your projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are just as excited as I am about the creative possibilities that this integration opens up. Thank you for joining in, and happy designing. That's it for this tutorial on how to connect your Google Drive to Canva. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.